Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to enable WooCommerce catalog mode. Let's get started. In order to do that, we need to head over right here to our dashboard, scroll down until you can see this option for plugin, click on this add new plugin right here, and then on this new page that will show us, we just need to see in here the search bar, which is this one. Click on it and then search in here for Alex. ELEX. That's our actual name. And you can see this here, which is the LX WooCommerce catalog mode. So just head over and install this particular application. Once it's been installed, scroll down on your sidebar until you can see the settings. And under settings right here, just click on this WooCommerce. So here's WooCommerce right here. Click on settings and then WooCommerce. And then you should be able to see the WooCommerce settings on your shop. Now, once you have actually installed that catalog mode, you can now see in here a new option, which is catalog mode right here. Once you have clicked on that, you can see some settings, like for example, this catalog mode options, that the changes we will make here will be applicable across the site. You can remove your add to cart option. You can customize your add to cart. So let's try to enable this, and you can change the button text. So for example, let's change the button text on our product page and also our shop page. So in here, let's put in here buy, and in here, let's put in here get. So I have in here this button URL. You can also change that. Now, before we proceed with anything, just click on the save changes. Now in here, once the settings has been saved, let's head over to our shop page. As you can see right now, the options are add to cart and select options. So let's reload this. And then once you have reloaded this, you can now see that the button has the name get. So let's head back right here, and you can also do a few more things. Like for example, you can hide price. This will also remove the add to cart button. So when you enable this, you can put in here a placeholder text as well. You can also hide the cart and checkout page, and this will disable access to cart and checkout pages right here. You can exclude administrator. You can hide place order button and replace place order. And you can also hide payment gateways, but this last three right here are for the premium version of this plugin. So once you're done with everything, just click on the save pages, and the changes will automatically reflect on your shop page as well as your product page. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like, or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon!